Hi, today's video is going to be a comparison against these two impact drivers, Milwaukee Fuel M12 and the 20V Hercules impact driver. I'm going to be using the high output 5Ah for the Milwaukee, and I'm going to be using the 8Ah Extreme Performance battery for the Hercules, 20 volt. So, what I'm going to be doing is driving them through what I have here, which is a piece of pressurized fence post. Should be about the same. Either way. Okay. Here we go. Speed 3. Fully charged. It's all the way in. That is hot. All right. Now for the Hercules. Speed 3. Fully charged. All right. So one of the main reasons I made this, or wanted to make this, is because when I was out there looking for a new impact driver, because I needed one, there was no... I was interested in the M12 fuel line because, I mean, Milwaukee is one of the top industry standards now. And I wanted something small and compact, light, easy on the hands, you know, for accessories and hanging things, and light work that still could perform almost the same as a 20 volt, 18 volt system. And this did the trick, you know. At the time they were having a sale. I got the drill with it too, and it's done me very well. Has a lot of control to it. I like that. You know, it doesn't just, even on speed 3, it doesn't go full bird when I just press the trigger just a little bit. You know, I have a bit of control there. And then with this, I just picked this one up, and I picked it up because I wanted a 20 volt impact driver for when I get into heavier duty DIY stuff and when I get into heavier duty jobs at work. So I went ahead and picked this up with a good battery, decent one, that I could, you know, really test its limits with if I need to. And I can also run this on my orbital sander as well. So I hope this video helps for anybody looking to pick up either a M12 or a Hercules. I don't know why I took that off, but have a wonderful day.